Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope, microscope.
Hey, welcome
Back.
to the Microscope show. I'm Doug,
And I'm Brent.
and today we're going to look at a Band-Aid under this microscope.
That's intriguing.
And you might not think that a Band-Aid will look interesting under a microscope, but we'll see what you think, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get right into it. All right, what we have here is a Band-Aid, Band-Aid,
Yeah.
bandage. And
Let's look at the label
let's
first.
look at the label. Let's see that. Look at that.
Wow, look at that. That is amazing. I mean, that's so crazy that the print is
they-
comprised of, all these little sort of,
Knots
inconsistencies
made
and stuff, though,
With natural rubber latex.
Hey, I
that?
have a question, actually.
Would you ever read that if you weren't under the microscope? If you opened up took a Band-Aid, would you read this label?
No,
that
I would
says-
never. And we're talking not made.
Where do you think it's made?
New Mexico.
Where do you think it's made?
Made in
What do you think?
China.
Brazil.
Brazil. Oh my God, that's crazy. But also, here's
Look at
what's
that.
crazy.
It looks like a
like a impressionist
painting.
painting. Yeah. What's crazy is every letter is unique. Actually, you know what I mean? Like compare this A with that A. Compare that A with that A. They're unique.
Yeah, they definitely are.
That's so crazy that you think that this is a uniform font and a uniform print, but if you look closely, they're all unique.
I want to see some more stuff.
In
All
the
right, so
mask.
let's get on with it. Here.
Let's
We got-
open her
we
up.
got- This is the Band-Aid. This is the fabric style, the kind of stretchy one.
Right.
That's what I prefer.
Whoa, that is crazy. It looks like your sweater.
How
Kind
did
of.
they? It's like how did they? You can see each individual fiber.
Yeah. Wow.
How did they even do that?
That is so nuts.
It's cool, right?
I mean, it's crazy that it's fabric.
Yeah. Let's see
mean,
if I can
it's-
stretch it. If I can get this stretch.
It's truly fabric.
See, look, that's how it stretches.
Wow, it's flexible. And underneath it, you can see the sort of
You can
greasy.
see the greasy stink.
You can see that greasy stink.
Wait, let's look at this part.
Wow, that's a fabric too.
Well, this is the part that's gonna touch your
That's the bandage
your-
part,
your-
or the
your paper
blood
cut.
part. Yeah,
That's the blood part. That's boring.
that absorbs the
All right,
blood.
here's the gooey stuff. Look at that.
Wow, that is truly adhesive.
Looks like my
Gooey.
face.
It does. It looks like my face. It is so gooey.
All right. Well,
Wow, that is so glistening. Actually, you focus in on that glisten.
I am focusing.
Oh,
on
okay.
this.
That would get sharper.
So that's that.
All right, well, that's a
Do
Band-Aid.
you need a Band-Aid for it?
No, sir.
All right. Let's look at my sweater. What do you think this sweater color is?
Looks kind of yellow and orange or something. Oh
out
my
these
God, that's crazy. That is nuts.
How
Wow.
do they get that? It's like they take the
They're-
orange fibers and they spiral in some black ones to get that.
To get that sort of.
Oh, look, there's a hair.
Wait, what is that? That's a dog hair, maybe. What the heck is that?
I don't see it.
That,
I don't
can't
see
see
it.
that with the human eye.
There it is. It's a dog hair.
Is it a dog hair?
Yeah.
Wow, that is nutso
Look at that.
creetso.
That's my dog's hair.
That is truly nutso creetso.
Look at that.
Wow. Oh, look at that. That's where it came out right there.
That's
That's
the
the tip. Follow
Look
it.
at that. How do they like wind?
How do they wind it in
How do
there?
they wind those together like that?
That is crazy. You know what it looks like? It makes it look like your sweater's made out of gold.
Well, there you go.
That is truly a trip. All those little dark fibers are just so nuts.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's look at the sleeve. It's a different pattern. It's a different
Right.
weave.
It's a different weave, yeah.
Here's the main sweater, and here's the sleeve.
It's
a
kind
fatter,
of
it's a thicker.
But
thicker
the edit,
rope.
oh, it is thicker, yeah. It's thicker dicker.
Let's take a look at your shirt. I bet that's gonna be an interesting.
Wow,
Look
that
at
is
those-
so crazy.
Like, how do they get in there? How do they like make those fibers?
How do they do?
Look at that.
Look at that weave.
That's the little white guy coming through, huh? Focus that a little better. Yeah. Okay.
Look at that. Those are the patterns.
That's the pattern of that shirt, huh? All right. Well, thanks for watching the Microscope show. I'm Doug, and
I'm Brent, and thanks for watching. And
please subscribe. And we'll be doing
subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe, like our channel. You know what? Leave in the comments what would you like to see.
See you next.
What would you want to see next?
What do you want to see next? Leave it in the comments. Ciao.
Microscope, Microscope, Microscope show.